Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. Welcome to Creative Tools School. My name is Vincent. I received this question. Someone is asking how to convert image to PDF file or convert your photo to PDF file. You may want to attach photo in the body of a letter. The way to go about it is, so we need to convert this as a PDF. So I got image here that I want us to convert. Let us go to File Explorer. Then go to downloads. So open it as a photo just once. So this is the image that I want us to convert. You can see that it's showing us JPEG, JPEG. So JPEG is usually photo. You need to keep an eye here. After we converted JPEG to PDF, it will show you as a PDF instead of JPEG. This is headphones. So we're just gonna close this. So we'll go back, depending on platform you want to use. We want to use Google, so we'll go to Google Chrome. So type google.com, open it up, then type doc. Just type doc, it will show you Google Doc, sign in. Select on Google Doc, then you select blank doc. You go on top, select insert. Select insert. When you select insert, it will show you image, table, building blocks, smart clips. So go to image. Then it will ask you upload from computer, search the web, drive, photo, camera, or by URL. So go to upload from computer. Then you go to your computer or picture or photo, wherever you have the photo, to open it up. So this is the photo, WhatsApp image. Then select open. So this is the image we want to convert as a PDF. This image, you can adjust it according to your preference. So you go at the bottom, adjust it. Likewise, you can also go from the top and adjust it however you prefer or extend it. Now, to convert this image, what you need to do is you need to select file, select download, then you go to, you will see Microsoft Word, PDF, open document format, plain text, rich text format, web page, EPUB publication, markdowns. So select PDF document. And this document is now converted to PDF document, and you can see untitled document PDF, and also it's showing us, this is it here. This is the PDF. And if you close this place, then go back to File Explorer. If you go to File Explorer, then you go to download, it will show you untitled document, and it's showing us PDF. Open it up. If you look on the top, it will show you document user/owner download untitled 20 documents.pdf. So this is now a PDF, one way to convert your image to PDF. Another way to do this, if you go to Microsoft Word. So this is Microsoft Word. So I'm going to delete this question. What you need to do if you want to convert your image using Microsoft Word, then you go to the home, select insert, then go to picture, select picture. It will show you this device, generate an image, stock image, online picture. So you can get image from anywhere. So we want to select this device. Then you go to wherever you save the image. We want to select the same image, WhatsApp image, select insert. So this is the image in the Microsoft Word. So you can adjust it as usual according to how you want it. To convert this image, you go to File, then select Save As. You can give the document name if you like. So let's say we call it C Creative Tool School, CTC PDF. You select PDF, so scroll down from the drop down and select PDF. Another thing you need to do is to select Browse, and you can see it's showing us CTC PDF and also showing us PDF here. But I want us to save this in download folder. So you select download. This PDF we're going to convert will be saved in the download. So select download, then you select save. Then the next thing to do is you also need to select save from this. Please wait. Here we go. So this is the PDF. You see on top CTC PDF. CTC, this is the name we gave the document, CTC PDF.pdf user/owner downloads CTC 20 PDF.pdf. So these are ways to convert your image. If you want to see this PDF, it opens automatically after it downloaded. But if you want to see it, what you need to do is go back to your File Explorer, select Open File Explorer, then go to Downloads, and it will show you can see CTC PDF. Double click it to open. So this is the image we converted to PDF. I hope this helped you. Please like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed.